Hi, I'm Deon,
Hi, I'm Mize.
and welcome to episode 6. As you can see, here is the vehicle taking us to Namibia, and we are baptizing her today, and we're giving her name Kadeka, which means a small buck in Portuguese, we understand, and it's actually Mize's Portuguese nickname. So that's why the champagne's here, and we're going to pop the cork and baptize our Land Rover Kadeka.
There we go. Get forward.
There we go.
There we go.
Cheers to Kadeka and a happy
And
trip.
our trip to Namibia.
And follow us on YouTube, and we're going to be bringing you
Thumbs.
an epic journey
Thumbs.
across Namibia with some epic footage.
Yes.
Cheers. And
Cheers.
Mize is going to be cooking us some wonderful Namibian dishes in the desert.
Yes.
You're going to be cooking us something today as well.
Yes. Today I'm
Tell
going
us.
to cook just an entrada or starter is creamy prawn tails. Checked. It's delicious. Ciao. And to go good with the champagne as well. Oh, sparkling wine.
Cheers, guys. We just want to show you, take a tour around the vehicle with some of the equipment we're going to be using to share our experience with you. So we've got 2 tripods here in the bag, a handheld DJI gimbal for smoother shots, a 100 to 400mm Canon lens, a DJI Air 2S drone in the bag, and we have a GoPro here in line for those other shots. We have some spare batteries, backups for cameras and gimbals and etc. And then here here's a camera door mount from GimPro, manufactured here in South Africa. Very proud South African product. So it can swivel around in any angle. Any adjustments can be made for comfort whilst you're in the vehicle filming or taking the shots. Then we have a front runner roof rack system, excellent South African product as well, manufactured here in South Africa. Front runner gas holder. Chef Mize is going to be doing a lot of cooking in the desert, so for ease of access. We have the step ladder here for access on the roof rack. Then we have a front runner wolf pack bag that takes 2 boxes for storage and comes down with some tie down straps and fittings on the roof rack to hold them down. And then we've got our 2 camping chairs here, and in the back, just show you, we have our good chili bin, very strong hard chili bin here, and then we have our vehicle fridge, a plug point here in the back for the vehicle. We've got a small stainless steel barbecue. We removed the 2 seats on the back and installed these 3 shelves here for storage, lockable storage on the trip. So excellent products from Front Runner. And then not to forget, we have a Front Runner stainless steel table that slides out, as you can see here, and it just fits in underneath the roof rack. Rattle free, stainless steel, all weather, great products from Front Runner. Show you inside the vehicle. So we have some GoPro mounts here with adjustable fittings. You can go anywhere, any angles around the vehicle, on top of the vehicle, in or outside the vehicle. And then we've just got a mobile phone mount here for additional camera work. And there's the door mount. We're starting here in Durban, and we'll be traveling through the Free State into the central Big Karoo, and our first stopover will be in Douglas, in the town of Douglas. And then the next day we're heading up towards Uppington, and we'll be going through Armsvlei, Namibia, South Africa border post. going up to Granal, our first night in Namibia. Next day, we'll be going the back route down to the Orange River, following the border of South Africa and Namibia, and then doing a back road behind the restricted diamond area, diamond mines, up joining the tar road to Ludritz, and spending the second night in Namibia in Ludritz. From there, we will be going backtracking, and then hitting the scenic route, back routes here in the desert, up to a lodge near Maltahir. And then from there, next day we'll be going up and staying at a lodge near Sesrim, near Sossusvlei, for 2 nights and exploring the area around Sossusvlei and Sesrim. And then the next day, after the 2 nights at Sesrim, we'll be heading our way towards Walvis Bay, but we'll be doing an interesting back route along the Kuseb River and coming in the back roads into Walvis Bay, where we'll be spending 3 nights with family over Christmas. But we'll be doing a quick trip, a short trip, a day trip up to Henties Bay and then to the Spitzkoppe and back to Walvis Bay. So on the 26th of December, we'll be leaving Walvis Bay again and heading towards the Kalahari, backtracking again back to Sesrim, and then we will be cutting through the back roads here to Maltahir, and then spending a night at Marienthal. From there, we'll be heading really into the Kalahari, the red dunes of the Kalahari, and we'll be cutting through to places called Stampriet, Kochas, passing Brakpan, going down to a small town called Kus, and then actually very nice driving through the salt pans and then working our way back to Ketmanswerk, where we'll be staying at the Quiver Tree Forest Camp. Doing, if we're lucky, a clear evening, we'll be doing some astrophotography with the quiver trees. And then we'll be heading back in the last part of our journey through the Kalahari back to Arensvlei, and then overstopping at Uppington on the way back. And then we're not quite sure yet if we're going to make it back from Uppington all the way to Durban, and one day we may stay over, break our trip 1 night before we get back to Durban. So it's an epic journey, and we're really looking forward to it.
As we said earlier, we're going to cook creamy prawn tails. Very easy, but very delicious. I cleaned the prawns, as you can see, open nicely. And I prefer and I advise you do any of the prawn recipes with the uncooked prawns. Is here, and then clean them nicely. But I left, as you can see, the tail, which gives a nice presentation as a dish. Okay. Then what I have here, I got here the heads. For what is the heads? I'm going to cook them first and give flavor to the dish, to the okay. Let us first olive oil for the heads. I got here about 6 prawns, 6 heads. Let's warm up a bit. In the meantime, I can have a sip of, okay, nice. Up here, fresh cream, the salt, butter, and for 6 prawns, I advise 1 clove of garlic. No, it's more than enough. It's hot, let's see. Yes, you can hear. I'm pressing the heads. Oopsie daisy, 1, 2. Now why? Look here, because And you see already all those flavors from the heads. Look here. Look, the juices. Look. That's what gives nice, good flavor. Already start to make the nice gravy. You can add a little bit white wine, champagne, beer, anything. Here I'm going to add a bit of sparkling wine. Let cook a bit. Okay, it's done. That's here. Yeah. Okay, can see? Nice. Okay, now what we add? We're adding the garlic, butter, quite a nice portion of butter. That's melted. I'm minimizing the lemon. It's already so nice. The smells. Now putting the prawns, I'm adding here. The prawns. Salt. And they curly, then that's why it's beautiful. Can you see what I mean with the leave a little bit of the tail? Now let to cook a bit, not overdo. Prawns don't want overcooked, otherwise loses tasty. Must be a little bit crunchy, say. But you ask when I can see the prawns is cooked. Easy. See, they change color. When it's all this color, not this is raw. This is cooked. When all this color is cooked. See? Add a little bit more wine or beer. Goes good, cook with beer. Okay.
It smells lovely.
It smells, it's such nice.
Wow, they look so nice.
Yes, yeah. What we're going to add now? The cream. Cream for 6 prawn size, 3 tablespoons. My experience shows me I can look. What I got here today, I got fresh bread, and I'll show you. It's very nice. Done. And put them here. Look, push this way. Like this. This.
Delish.
The bread.
Voila, bon appetit.
Voila.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy.